Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Usually they're on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is a brand from Middle East. It's another brand from United Arab Emirates. And they have been getting a little of hype lately because people are saying good things about them. So especially some reviewers out there. And this one in particular, they have so many fragrances in their portfolio, in their lineup. God knows how many, probably around 50 of them. So when I saw this for a good price under £30, I had to get it and report back to you. And this one, the brand is called Loui Martin. And this one in particular called Midnight Club Intense Extrait de Parfum is 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. And let's see how it goes. So the box, reminiscent of Club de Nuit Intense Man, very similar box to it. It's quite big and quite heavy, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the review, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. Your support, just a small movement of a finger, but for me it means a lot. It means you are validating my work. It means you are supporting me. You want me to bring you fragrances like this in future and keep me going in this endeavor, which is quite expensive, and also to bring you hidden gems in future that nobody else is mentioning them. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your sharing with others. Thank you for your thank you for the subscription, which is free, by the way. More than 85% of people who watch my videos are unsubscribed, which is a heartbreak for me. Please do me a favor and just hit those buttons and basically let me enjoy your love. And if you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfume myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I leave them in the link as well. And if you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and let's go. So let's go with this. And sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do much. Yeah, very reminiscent of Club de Nuit Intense box, and the bottling is very similar to it as well. Alright, so very heavy bottle, super heavy, very heavy cap. The cap is a mixture of plastic and glass, and atomizer is modern and black, and it says on it Midnight Club Intense by Loui Martin Eau de Parfum, Extrait de Parfum. Okay, so it goes like this. Very attractive on the eye, very super heavy. Shouts good quality, especially for the price. All right, let's go with the atomizer. Here we go. Atomizer is not bad. It's not but it's got well, it does the job. All right, so how is Loui Martin? And this is Midnight Club Intense Extrait de Parfum 100 ml. And here we go. First sniff, first impression. Ooh, fruity. So this is super fruity. It opened with a beautiful, juicy, very juicy. It's almost like you taking the fruits and you basically making the juice out of this fruit, and you're smelling that fresh cut fruits in front of you. Very juicy, fruity, citrusy, and also sweet. So in terms of sweetness right now, for the first impression, from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet in the same time. It's a little bit sweeter than any other Creed. So first thing first, yes, this is inspired by Creed Aventus, and it is very very similar DNA to Creed Aventus, the original, the yesteryears, the early years. So it smells like early years of Creed Aventus smell, especially that opening, which is very very juicy. So this is right now is very I would say fruity batch of Creed Aventus. Oh my goodness, but what a quality. So if you want under £30, this is a bargain. Yeah, quality is very very good. First thing it hits me is the quality, because it's extrait de parfum and it's dense and heavy and thick, and that gives in it like a very very high quality feel to it, because almost I can't smell any alcohol, any synthetics. Obviously for this price you need, I mean, you are inevitably get synthetics. Probably there's ambroxan in here, probably there's a isoi super in here, but for now I didn't smell any alcohol, any harshness, any chemical, nothing like that. Very very well done, very smooth, very rounded, and very good quality. Yeah, the only difference between this and other Creed Aventus inspired fragrances is the fruits are a little bit, tiny bit darker. So what I mean is there are, you know, all those fruits that we are accustomed with DNA of Creed Aventus are there. So we have a big pineapple in here, we got citruses, we got apple, we got blackcurrant, but I can feel something like stone fruit in here as well, which smells like plum to me, and that makes it very very interesting, because plums usually darken fragrances a little bit and gives in a little bit of darkness, and in here the darkness is not coming from the woods and the birch and the smokiness, rather than plummy feel to it, which is very very interesting. So it makes a hint of difference between the other fragrances out there which are inspired by Creed Aventus, and is making it a little bit different from them. The other thing is hint of difference between this and other Creed Aventus inspired fragrances, that is very aromatic. So I'm smelling something lavender in here, which is again very interesting. So first plum and then now lavender. Wow. So it is again in the vein of Creed Aventus inspired fragrances, but is not exactly copy or 100% or you know, one-to-one to Creed Aventus, because they're trying to make something a little bit different, to give you something different, something unique. To some extent it's quite unique, although there is another fragrance by House of Anfar, Platinum Shade I think it's called, and that one had a plum note to it as well. So this one is a little bit similar to that one. That one had a plum, and this one has got a plum to it, and is plum, making it a little bit different and unique on its way. Yeah, so the rest of them are the same. So I'm smelling some floral in the mid, which is jasmine and rose, and also in the base we have woods, most likely to be cedar and birch combination. But right now there's not much smokiness, although I'm feeling something in the background, hint of smokiness in there, but not too much right now. But there is definitely something in the background giving it a smokiness, and also it's quite leathery in the same time, and it is as I said, hint of little bit of spicy hint to it as well. Smells like cinnamon to me, which is very very interesting. Yeah, it smells like cinnamon and also nutmeg, which is crazy. So they are basically doing everything they can to distinguish themselves from anything else out there in terms of Creed Aventus inspired fragrances, and they're doing a good job in here. So I heard very very good things about this brand, this house from United Arab Emirates. Not this one in particular, because this one in particular nobody reviewed it at all, either on Fragrantica or on YouTube or anywhere else for that matter. So I thought I'll be the first to introduce it to you, to review it, to give it to you, give you the heads up basically. So if you are a big fan of Creed Aventus inspired fragrances and you want something different from other Creed Aventus inspired fragrances out there, this is superbly done. Very very good quality, high intensity of ingredients in here, and also it's very smooth, it's very rounded. So far so good, absolutely amazing. For the price I paid, under £30, this is a bargain. Yeah man, beautiful, gorgeous. Yeah, a hint of patchouli in here as well, give it a tiny bit of chocolatiness, and also smokiness is coming through right now, plus the leather making it a little bit darker, and also the plum, and also very very aromatic in the same time from the lavender, which is very very interesting. Okay, so I would say for the first impression, around maybe 60 to 70% similarity to DNA of Creed Aventus, but with their own DNA and own twist. And that is, first thing first, plum, adding plum to the fruits in the beginning to make it a little bit darker and also juicier. And in the mid, they added lavender to make it a little bit aromatic. And in the base, they added a little bit of cinnamon to give it a little bit of spicy tinge to make it more interesting and giving it another facet. So for me, this is a beauty in a bottle, because there is not many Creed Aventus inspired fragrances that doing this. As I said, Platinum Shade by Anfar is quite similar to this, although they're not exactly similar, but because they utilized plum in that one, it reminds me of that one. Very very similar vein or similar category of fragrances. So if you like this, what I described, for the first impression, 2 thumbs up. If I had 8-10 thumbs up, I would have given it, because you know me, I love the enough Creed Aventus, and also I love when they give me a twist, because if they all were the same, it would have been boring. You know, when you had one, that's it, you don't need to look for anything else. But I have many fragrances that are inspired by Creed Aventus, and almost all of them has some sort of twist in them, some sort of differentiation. They make themselves different from Creed Aventus out there. Today's Creed Aventus is just basically dead. Don't waste your money. A few months ago, I went to Selfridges and I put 5 sprays of Creed Aventus, which is today's Creed Aventus, and within 2-3 hours it's gone. I couldn't smell it at all, and also it doesn't smell anything like it used to be. It just watered down, and is basically the king is dead. So if you like what I described, if you like it, very very reasonable for under £30. If you want it with a twist and it's a little bit darker, a little bit smokier, and also a little bit more lavender, which is more aromatic, this is a beauty in a bottle. I highly recommend it. If you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. In the next video, I give you the longevity, the development, and things like that. But for now, for the first impression, is feeling the room, is feeling the house. It's so strong. I put just 3 sprays of it, and it's feeling the room, and it looks like that extrait de parfum is true to the word. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume and support me that way and get something very very beautiful in return, you could do that. I leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do so. I am the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, nobody else is involved. So you're getting a true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. They are very very mysterious, very artistic, very unique. They're like time capsule. They take you different places, different time, and they are one of the highest quality ingredients in the world. When you smell it, you just basically, you know it. Okay, is one of the best, if not the best, especially for the price you're paying. You cannot beat it. You're paying something that is 10 times quality is higher for the price. Okay guys, I'll leave them in the link. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that. I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.